Okay, my name is Dorcas Mutemasango. I grew up from Senges, under Chegutu district, a region without sculpting area. Then I moved to Harare. Then I joined Chitungwiza Art Center I started as a vendor. I was selling cooked beans, boiled eggs, and maputi. Then later on, I decided to join Chitungwiza Art Center, where I learned to carve the stone. At first, I learned how to carve a bed bath. Then I moved to abstracts and beds. Later on, I entered a competition called Artistic Africa Competition, where I won a second trophy on women category. As I said earlier, that I carve bed bath. This is a bed bath. What most inspired me is every bed or every creature need to bath, need clean water. So if you put water here, the beds will come and bath itself, sometimes drink water. That what most, when I carve bed bath, that what most I think about beds needs clean water and to bath.